Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. All right, so today we will do the exercises of direct and indirect. Yesterday we did the rules of conversion, and I would like all of you to do the rules of conversion in your notebooks. All right, so how the tenses change, how the pronouns change, and how the adverbs of time and place they change. So write down the rules, the main rules. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, what about the rest of the class? Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so let's carry on with the exercises. Exercise A. Fill the blanks with the correct tense of the verb. He said, I am working in the Park Street office today. He said that he
Was working in the Park Street
Was
office
working that
or
day.
office.
okay, write down was working. Next, Priya says Anna lives in London. Priya, Priya says that Anna
Lived in London.
Lives in London.
right lives in London because the reporting verb is in the present tense, so the tense of the direct speech it will not change. In the first one, since the reporting verb was in the past tense, that is why we changed the tense of the direct speech. It was I am working, that is it was present continuous, and so we have changed it into past continuous. He was working. All right, third one. She said, I think a new party will win the elections. She said that she
Thought.
Thought
thought she thought the thought she said that she thought a new party will becomes
Would.
would.
would
All right. She said that she thought a new party would win the elections. A new party would win the elections. Right. Next one. Afroz said, my friend is going to visit us next week. Afroz, Afroz said that his friend, see the tense of the direct speech, is going. Is going is what tense?
present
Present.
continuous.
Alright, present continuous changes to
Past continuous.
past continuous. So Afroz said that his friend
Was going.
was going to visit them the following week. Was going to visit. Write down was going to visit. Next, Anita said they bought a brand new car. Now, since the reporting verb is in the past tense, so the direct speech will change, the tense of the direct speech will change. They bought. Bought is what tense?
Simple past.
Simple past. Simple past changes into
Past perfect.
past perfect. That means you have to add had. Anita said that they
Had bought.
had bought
Had bought.
yes, right, they had bought a brand new car. Next, she said they are watching TV at the moment. She said that they
Were watching.
were
Were
watching.
watching.
Right, were watching. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns in the indirect speech, assuming that you are the listener. Okay, Dr. Suri, can you see me? Dr. Suri asked me if
I
I could
I could see him.
could see him. Right, correct. Okay, so it could be either him or her. So whatever you write, that would be okay. Ria, I like my doll. Ria told me that
She.
she
My doll.
liked
Her
Her.
doll.
her doll.
Her.
Right. Okay. My father is a Tamilian. Revati told me that
Her.
His.
Father.
Her.
her father. Revati is a girl's name, bhai. What is wrong with you people? Huh? How can it be his? Okay, next. Jayant, I work in a factory. Jayant told me that.
He worked
Right.
Worked in
He worked
his.
in a factory. Next. Rajni and Lucy, we play basketball. Rajni and Lucy told me that.
They.
Right,
They.
that they played.
played.
Right, that they played basketball. Next. Jyoti, I will have to borrow your eraser. Jyoti told me that she would have to borrow
My eraser.
my eraser.
My.
Right, correct, my eraser. Okay, next exercise. Complete the following sentences. Don't play football in the park. Kiran told me. Kiran told.
To play football in the park.
Right, correct. Not to play. Not to play football in the park. Not to play football in the park. Not to play football in the park. Next, teacher, don't forget to complete your project work. The teacher reminded me
not to forget.
not to forget, not to forget to
To
complete.
complete your project work.
The teacher reminded me.
To complete my project.
Right.
To complete my.
The teacher reminded me not to forget to complete, not to forget to complete my project work. All right. Next one. Deepika, Tara went to the market an hour ago. Deepika said that. Deepika said that.
Tara had gone to the market an hour before.
All right. Correct. Very good. Tara had gone to the market an hour before. Ago becomes before. Tara had gone to the market an hour before. Navya, later on, beta, please check. As of now, we are 26 only.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm just scrolling down the names of all those who are here so that you can check from the recording. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. All right, next one. Rohan, to you. My sister flew to Mumbai last year. So, to you. So, Rohan told me that. Rohan told me that.
His sister flew to Mumbai the previous year.
His sister. His sister
Had flew.
had flew. Had flown.
Had flown.
Had flown to Mumbai
Ma'am,
last year.
flown.
All right. Had flown to Mumbai.
Last year.
The previous year.
Okay, the previous year. Right. So Rohan told me that his sister had flown to Mumbai the previous year. Rohan told me that his sister had flown to Mumbai the previous year. Okay. Next. My parents will celebrate their Piyush, my parents will celebrate their 25th wedding anniversary next month. Piyush said that.
His parents would celebrate their 25th wedding anniversary in the following month.
Alright. Piyush said that his parents would celebrate their 25th wedding anniversary the following wedding anniversary following month. Alright. The following month. Piyush said that his parents would celebrate their 25th wedding anniversary the following month. Written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Anniversary.
Anniversary the following month. Alright, exercise D. Complete the following. Father to you. Has mother arrived? Father asked me. They are interrogative sentences. Father asked me. Yes, father asked me if
Mother has arrived.
had arrived.
mother had arrived. Right. Father asked me if mother had arrived. Okay. Ravi to Saurav. Can I help you? Ravi wanted to know if
He could help him. If he could help him.
okay, if he could help. Ravi wanted to know if he could help write Saurav in place of you because he's saying that to Saurav. Ravi wanted to know, or you could have written if you would have written the whole sentence on your own, then you could have written Ravi said to uh, Saurav. But here they have already given half of the sentence, so you will write Ravi wanted to know if he could help Saurav. If he could help Saurav. Next, mother, when did you come? Mother wanted to know.
Dad, when did I came?
When?
When did I came?
Did. Why did? Did is what tense?
Past.
Past. Past changes to?
Present.
Past changes to present. Present changes to past. Past changes to?
Past perfect.
Past perfect.
Perfect.
That means you have to use had. Okay. Mother wanted to know when I had come. When I had come. When I had come. Next. Aman to you. What are you reading? Aman asked me
What I was reading.
what I was reading. Correct. Aman asked me what I was reading.
I was reading.
Okay. Alia to you. Will Manisha have lunch with Sunita? Alia asked me if Yes. If,
Manisha would have lunch with Sunita.
right. If Manisha would have lunch with Sunita. Correct. Alia asked me if Manisha would have lunch with Sunita. Next, Radha to you. Do you want to read a storybook? Radha asked me. Yes, Radha asked me if I.
If I wanted to read a storybook.
Right, if I wanted to read a storybook. Radha asked me if I wanted to read a story book. Next, does Anwar get pocket money? Ahmed, does Anwar get pocket money? Ahmed wanted to know if if
Anwar gets pocket money.
if Anwar
Gets pocket money.
got. If
Okay.
Anwar got pocket money. Get is simple present, so it will change to simple past. Ahmed wanted to know if Anwar got pocket money. Okay, Mr. Singh to you. Where does Mr. Gupta park his car? Mr. Singh asked me where, because if you remember, if the sentence, if the direct speech, it starts with a question word, then that question word is used as a conjunction. So Mr. Singh asked me where
Had Mr. Gupta parked his car?
where Miss
Where did Mr. Gupta park his car?
where Mr. Gupta parked his car. You can write this also, where Mr. Gupta parked his car. Yes. Mr. Singh asked me where Mr. Gupta parked his car. Where Mr. Gupta parked his car. Next, Juhi to you. Did you watch the latest news update on TV? Juhi asked me
If I had
If I had watched the latest news update on TV.
okay, right.
If I have watched the latest news update on TV.
Yes, correct. Juhi asked me if I had watched the latest news update on TV. Juhi asked me if I had watched the latest news update on TV. Number 10th, Gurvinder to her mother. Must I do the house cleaning? Gurvinder asked whom? Gurvinder asked her mother if she had to do the house cleaning. Gurvinder asked her mother if she had to do the house cleaning. Gurvinder asked her mother if she had to do the house cleaning. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
The last exercise here. Take the correct indirect version of each statement. Each question has only one correct answer. They said we have lived here for a long time. Which is the correct one?
They said that they had lived there for a long time.
Alright. You mean which option? Option number?
Ma'am, 3.
Option
That
number
they
third. Yes, option number third is correct. They said that they had lived there for a long time. Number 2. I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock, said Joy.
Joy said that he woke up every morning at 6 o'clock.
Alright, which option?
First.
Alright. Joy said that he woke up every morning at 6 o'clock. That is the correct one. Mark 1. First option. The third one here. He asked me, have you finished reading the novel?
He asked me if I had finished reading the novel. Option 2.
Alright. Correct.
Option 2.
He asked me if I had finished reading the novel. Option 2. Put a tick mark there. Okay, so those were the exercises. Has anyone missed anything?
No, ma'am.
Have
Ma'am,
all of,
exercise A, ma'am.
so all of you have finished? Completed? Yes, Manasvi, you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, exercise A. Ma'am, 1, 2, 3.
You have not done? You joined in late? Okay. Exercise A first is was working. He said that he was working. Second is Priya says that Anna lives in London. And the third is she said that she thought a new party would win the elections. Would win. Thought and would win. Done?
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
So anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Alright.